Welcome to Hpmtech Nestle Internship Program 2022. Apply new, extend new. From the internship speak search application is open to apply from Nestle Internship Program 2022. Nestle company has recently accorded the internship program of the years 2022. Nestle and will now internship foods company recognition every basic of its device and quality food items stores looking for internship and once the most required company in the world are recognition and apply from internship program. The best and thing about the Nestle internship and the most experience in the fresh can your apply internship program a clear nested and help your boost your skill with your help letters nested increased farmers make to particular in the internship program to grow its individuals interest will suggest improvement the CV basic of this internship program in Nestle and now what wait the good news is that Nestle in optimization multiple option in this years and internship constant or two type state internship and project internship the program direction in 6 weeks more details regret the Nestle internship program listed below. Do you know in United States is also opening internship for international students your interest in internship you make apply here United National Internship USA created details about nursery internship program 2022 Obligational nested grant male to female application process online deadline correct open also check it is student exchange program also check it is Australian internship 2022 about nursery nested sweet material drink and food progress partnership company very visitorship biggest food company in the world benefit of nursery internship the internship will be a yearly online student can share the skill very sustained um, COVID-19 has relation student completes education from the before student is particular that program certification nursery after complete course Nestle and internship program 2022 eligible creation application to benefit the following requirement to eligible for program apply short process bachelor and master degrees male and female particular and grade and particular in internship program candidates with strong leadership skill highest recognition apply fresh student can also apply the option down documents requirement application should have to follow us document the times and apply domicile CNSCV recognition letter certificate academic documents explain letter is if you applicant has any also check scholarship in New Zealand without application process in the all state condition national internship program you needed apply target clear particular affiliate link apply benefit before fund part nested and service based real estate post on internship 2022 23 UN Career United States National Award Hall and similar internship 2022 in USA fully funded Nestle Internship Program 2022 apply now. It is Australian Internship 2022 full need funded apply now. University Scholarship Student Canada's fully funded Amazing Mohammed of Nestle Internship Program 2022 apply. Rahim Gul and Internship apply. Hafiz Ikra optional 2021-2022 UA career. Mohammed Kashif Rana scholarship in Hong Kong without internship student. Fayaz Ali on in all optimization UK career. Italy Student Exchange Program 2022 full founded application is now open to apply from Italy Student Exchange Program 2022 Super News International Student for Europe University Industry accorded to Student Exchange Program for the years 2022. Student belong for all around eligible for apply full interest exchange program. All experience selected particular we covered roles optimization policies particular change make in Golba the program all condition not miss and optimist have optimization speed 5 to 10 months and easily full funded application will spend it the most years time full and the internship candidate requirement the full in this application for before 25th and January 2022 for details about exchange program check detailed monitored before apply don't your apply and scholarship Canada 2022 yes to my apply fully in foundation scholarship Canada USA scholarship Italy student exchange program details country Italy time 5 to 10 months University of Europe state financial benefit covered defend 25th in January. It will also check scholarship lending with 2022 and also check about student program 20 it is gold program yearly policy and that is Golpa program yearly made a clear policy from around world improve this work is still which particular defending workshop still documents a section costed and our content candidates obtained interest and other follower policy make the inter academic committee EUI final coverage follow experience application will be covered during exchange program or air ticket the program monthly allowance and 20 euros a grant of 25 euros will also provided eligible career the application actually student in exchange program candidate must fulfill following eligibility credit all internship students are welcome apply candidate belong civic service policy media and not government optimization can apply application very early mid suggested professional career apply this documents required refreshing letter from your host interest a work part and letter education certificate, some application work, article, blog posted of reported. Also check in Best Scholarship and Students Canada 2022. Also check last of all unoptimized in 2021-2022 application process. The application process Italy exchange program online application delayed. The last date apply fully funded exchange program Italy. The International Student 25th January to 2020. From more information visitor provide Italy Student Exchange Program official links. Last of exchange program. Disclaimer collects policies. How Italy Student Exchange fully founded December 23, 2021. Update January 17, 2022. No comments on 7 modes. Facebook, Twitter, particular University of Alvar scholarship. Check also entered documents requirement. Reference letters, your host industries, a work plan, the title, proves education certificate, sample of application work, include articles, blog post of reported. Subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching for upcoming video. Thank you.